Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from the stockpile. So last time I did this video, I shot it in the kitchen and y'all was like, nah, we need to go back to the stockpile. We like the stockpile. So we're reporting live from the stockpile today. And in today's video, I am super excited to share with you my fall 2021 FabFitFun box. So I am so happy to be partnering with FabFitFun on this video. I have gotten my fall box and I'm going to share with you guys everything that I picked in my fully customized box. I'm going to show you in-depth close-ups of these items so you can get a good view of them. We're going to talk about what I think of them, and then finally we're going to talk about the value of this box and is this box truly worth it for the money that you spend. So you guys know how I get down. We're not going to waste any time. Let's get right into it. So before we go into my specific items, let me tell you really briefly what FabFitFun is in case you are new to FabFitFun. So the FabFitFun subscription box is a lifestyle box that you can have delivered to you every single season. So 4 times a year, this box will come full of up to $300 worth of products. These are lifestyle products, beauty products, home products. You got some good stuff in these boxes. And based on your subscription level, you can either customize all of the items in the box or most of the items in the box. So if you do the annual subscription, you can customize everything. And then if you do the seasonal subscription, you can do 4 customizations. So I'm going to show you all of my customizations in order in the way that I customize them. When I saw this first customization, I knew I had to have this item, even though there are some tough decisions to be made with that first level of customizations, but this item just popped out to me, and that is this Golden Rabbit Dutch oven in Cobalt Swirl, you guys. This is such a beautiful fall piece. When I got this in my hands, I fell in love even more. It is absolutely beautiful. It's the details for me. I'm Nigerian. We make a lot of soups actually year round. It's just a staple food for us. And this is perfect for so many meals, but especially soups and things to keep you warm in the fall. I absolutely love this item. So this was customization number 1. This holds up to 2.5 quarts, so it's a good size, and it has a retail value of $44. The next item I picked, when I saw it, I wanted it because I instantly thought about wine and cheese and entertaining at Thanksgiving. So many of my favorite things, and I knew that this was an item that I wanted for my box. So this is the Uncommon James cheese board. It has a retail value of $60. It is made from a beautiful wood that I really love because I know that this is an item that I can keep for a very long time. This is just one of those staple pieces that you want to have in your kitchen to entertain with and make beautiful spreads with. So I am super excited about this item. It has a retail value of $60. There's no way that I would have paid $60 for this. So praise God for FabFitFun. The third customization I made I thought was very cool and extremely functional, and that is the APL packable backpack. So this backpack comes in a little pouch when you first get it. So it's the size of a pouch, but then it quickly expands into a full-size backpack, which is very clutch for traveling. If you're like me, where you're like always overpacked, but there are many times when I need another bag when I'm actually on my trip, I know that I'm going to get a lot of use. And I really like the style of it itself. If you're an OG to my channel, y'all know how I feel about leopard. I am always in the leopard print. So this really goes well with my aesthetic. It has a retail value of $60. Once again, ain't no way. So I'm so happy that we get to bundle it into the value of this box. And it really will hold a lot. Like, I packed it to the max just to see everything that it will hold. And y'all, this backpack comes out full size. So my fourth customization is the Corey's Renewing Body Cleanser. This has a retail value of $19, more than I would ever pay for a body wash. Beautiful bottle, but most of all, it has a beautiful scent. So the scent on this body wash is called Santorini Grape. And when I smelled this body wash, y'all, it smells like nothing that I've ever smelled in a body wash scent. Maybe I don't have enough money to know a body wash that smells like this, but it smells so, so good. It smells like wealth. It smells like money. You definitely get that channeling of the wine. I just see a very, very nice bubble bath with a lot of candles, and I am excited to try this just off the scent alone. The next item I picked was the Purlisse Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Mask. This mask is a good size, y'all. So this is a 10-minute facial. More of those yummy smells, that pumpkin and ginger that you want in the fall. So this is 2.5 ounce and it has a retail value of $48. OMG, my face better be looking brand new after this mask. So I'm excited to try this. And this was the fifth item that I picked from my box. So for my sixth customization, I actually picked a 3-item bundle, and some of my favorite items in this box came in this bundle. The first item that I picked was this 2 Bandits tiered catch-all tray. So this is a plastic tray with felt lining on the inside, and this is a catch-all tray. I really like it. I think it's really cool because you can spread it out and kind of style it however you want to style it. And I've seen a lot of people using this tray as a catch-all for jewelry, but I've actually tried to put some other things in it that are a little bit heavier. You don't want to put things that are too heavy in it, but a little bit heavier, and it's worked very well for that as well. I think you could also use this piece in an office space to put like office supplies and things like that. There are so many different functions. So for me, I know that this is an item that's going to get a lot of use personally. What is the retail value on this one? So this has a retail value of $30. Next item I got, I thought was really cool, and that is this hip lunch pack. So similar to the backpack, this comes in a very, very small little package, but then it folds out into a full lunch bag, and you can use this to replace single-use lunch bags. And I know that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because I am somebody who is always packing food and snacks to go places I probably need to stop, but I am that person who is going to show up with my own food. So I love the size of this and how covert it is, and it's full enough so when you stuff it full of food, like I have done as an example, when it is folded out, that you can actually hold a lot of stuff in here. So I think this is a great item, and it has a retail value of $15. So the last item that I got in my bundle was this Cali Cosmetics bath gel. So this one is scented in a peach champagne. So we got another one of those wine scents. This one didn't smell potent like the first one to me. When I smelled this one, I was like, oh, okay, it's very nice. It's very light. If you're somebody who likes light scents, you don't want to be overwhelmed, you would probably like this. I'm honestly probably going to put this into a gift basket at the holidays because it's such a pretty packaging that I feel like it'll go well as a gift to someone. And this has a retail value of $22. So now let's talk about the full spectrum of the cost, the retail value, and finally, if I think this box is worth it based on how much it cost. So the full retail value of everything that I got in my box is $298. So almost $300 worth of product. Would I pay $300 for that box? Absolutely not. But the full price of a FabFitFun box, so when you bundle everything together with FabFitFun, is only $49.99. And then if you're buying your box for the first time, you can use my coupon code CouponStar, and you will get an additional $10 off that, making your first box only $39.99. And do I think that everything that I got in my fall box is worth $39.99 or $49.99? Absolutely. Just the value of the cheese board or the Dutch oven alone is worth that. So to get all of those other items that I'm going to get a lot of use out of, I think is a tremendous value. And these are items that we can't coupon. I can't go out and coupon that cheese board. So I feel like it's a really good and smart way and a use of your money to get these high-end luxury items without paying so much. So that is all, you guys. This is my complete FabFitFun box. I am super excited about everything that came in this box. My favorite items are definitely the cheese board, the Dutch oven, and I love the tiered tray as well. Let me know down below in the comments, what is your favorite item for this box? What are you most excited about? And what are you most excited about when it comes to the fall season? I thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.